I'll be showing you step by step how to change the location of the currency conversion button for your Shopify store. Before I dive into it, I want to mention my very own Shopify theme that's designed to turn window shoppers into instant buyers, and it's packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features that saves you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions, and it's designed to work in any niche. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a tool called Bucks Currency Conversion Pro. It's a completely free app on the Shopify App Store. And the reason why I'm going to show you how to set this up is it makes it extremely easy to customize the location of the currency switcher button. It also has features such as automatic location-based conversion, which is extremely convenient, so the customer doesn't have to change it themselves. I already have this app installed, but once you hit this app page here, just click install. It's going to prompt you to accept the permissions. If you're comfortable with that, it's going to bring you to this page here. To get this set up, all we need to do is hit enable on theme editor. This is going to open up our Shopify theme editor. We just want to click enable here and then head to the top right to finalize those changes. Now let's go and customize where it's going to show up on our store. So first, I'm going to recommend that you pin this to your settings, as if you were to pin it and reload it, we can see it on the app section on the left, making it easy to find the settings page here. To start, you can select your currencies. You can select all of them if you would like, but if you do, it's kind of tedious actually to remove them all unless you deselect all there as well. Then you can manually reselect them as well. The auto currency switch is going to be enabled automatically. I'm going to do it without currency symbol. And the section I'm going to go to is just display here, because we can really customize this location on desktop as well as mobile. So on desktop, we can set it to show in the header, floating, or in a custom position after a specific element on the page here. I'm going to select floating for now, and I want this to show up in the top right. I'm currently running a demo store, and there's a Shopify button in the bottom left, which makes it hard to see this if they're both enabled. We can preview this on mobile, and then select the position as well. I'm also going to select a position, and this time I'm going to do the bottom right. It's at the top here. It looks to overlay the header quite a bit. And for the currency selector box, we want it enabled on both desktop and mobile. To finalize those changes, I can click save in the top right here, and let's go preview this on my store. So under online store, I can click view your online store, and I can see it's in the top right here, and I can easily select a different currency. And I customized the location of it exactly to my own preferences on how I want it displayed on my store. And this app makes it super easy to do so, and at the time of recording, it's completely free. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. On setup, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics, so you can truly understand your store's performance and true profitability. And this allows you to make smarter business decisions, as you'll actually have an understanding of how much your store is actually generating. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. It comes with a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this concludes the video here on how to change the location of the currency selector on your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out Conversion Booster Pro. There's a link in the description below.